Welcome to the channel. Together, we are going to explore how robots think, move, and come to life. Let's start building the future. The next era belongs to robots. Everywhere we look, machines are becoming smarter, faster, and more capable. Robotics is no longer distant science fiction. It's the technology quietly shaping our world today. In hospitals, robots assist doctors with delicate surgeries. On farms, they plant and harvest with precision. In factories, they build the tools we use every day. Robotics is not replacing people. It's amplifying human ability, helping us think bigger and work smarter. At its core, robotics means intelligence in motion, systems that sense, decide, and act. It's the meeting point of mechanics, electronics, and computation, where imagination becomes movement. Robots come in many forms: industrial arms that never tire, service robots that support us at home, educational bots that make learning hands-on, mobile rovers that explore, and humanoids that mirror our gestures. Each type has one goal: to serve human creativity. Every roboticist starts simple: a blinking LED, a spinning motor, a sensor that reacts to light. These tiny experiments are the seeds of innovation. From them grows understanding, and from understanding, creation. In this series, you will learn by seeing, understanding, and building. Every concept will connect directly to something you can test with your own hands. Our journey follows 5 clear steps: inspiration, where curiosity begins; fundamentals, where we master the building blocks; applications, where ideas meet the real world; integration, where everything works together; and finally, projects, where you bring a robot to life. We will start by uncovering what makes robots fascinating, how they move, sense, and think. Understanding the magic behind them turns mystery into motivation. Robotics is not just a subject, it's a way of thinking, a combination of curiosity, logic, and creativity that turns ideas into action. If you have ever wanted to understand how machines come alive, this is your starting point. Welcome to the journey inside the minds of machines. Subscribe, stay curious, and let's begin building the future. One circuit, one robot, and one idea at a time.